Hi, I'm Frank for Team 3D PHC, a diverse group of professionals from around the world, the Caribbean, Germany, and both sides of Canada. I'm a graphic designer, video editor, and content creator, co owner at 3D PHC, and team lead alongside Julius Giorgio.
Hello, I'm Julius. I'm the architect for Team 3D PHC. I focus on digital fabrication technologies, especially concrete 3D printing.
I'm Ed McNabb, CEO of 3D PHC.
My name is Kurt Grant, and I'm the General Manager for 3D PHC.
Basil Yassine here from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm a chemical and process engineer.
Hi, I'm Gary Tarasoff, and I'm an electronics technician.
Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Charles. I am the civil engineer for Team 3D PHC.
And I'm Mimi Lucas, the designer for 3D PHC.
With 3D construction printing, we can finally bring high technology to home building. It allows for us to design more efficient, longer lasting structures with a freedom of design never before seen in this industry. All this can now happen in a fraction of the time it takes to construct a modern home, and thereby reducing the overall cost drastically. And that's exactly the point here. Every person on this international team has had personal experience with the global housing crisis in one way or another. Our success so far in this competition is showing us that we are on the right path and we have the right solution to making housing affordability a reality. To be a part of this revolution in construction is a dream we all share. As a team, we've had our own challenges, something to be expected when working with individuals you've only just met on the other side of the planet. It's been interesting to see that strong focus toward a shared, passionate goal can overcome so many barriers. And that's been the best part of being in this competition. It's the collaboration and the incredible learning experience that we get to keep for the rest of our lives.